Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to get into an Amazon craft supply haul. So we're going to dive right in, and this is Mr. Pen Washi Tape. Never heard of this company before or bought washi tape ever from Amazon, so this is my first experience. Usually I get washi tape, at like the dollar store or Walmart or something like that. So we're going to open these up, see how these are. And then before I do that, I'm going to show you the couple of other things I got. So these are going to be to make crafts with, or when Christmas time comes around again, to make Christmas ornaments with. But what I noticed is the size of these is smaller than what I thought, because I went on YouTube after I got these the other day, and I looked and I seen, because I was looking to see like if there was like other types of crafts besides doing Christmas ornaments with these. So I looked, right, and I noticed that a lot of the people that were using these, oh, look at that, it's cracked. Okay, but anyway, a lot of the people that were using these, okay, I noticed that they were larger. Some were really large even. So, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I guess I'm kind of disappointed that they weren't like the larger ones. That I could still make use of these. So I believe that these were 30 of them in here. And they give you, I have so much of this now from like ordering craft supplies, and I just have so much of this that I don't really even use that much of this in my crafts even, but I'm going to try to. But anyway, so yeah, so that was a little disappointing that they weren't as large as I would have liked them to be, but I'm still going to try to make use of these anyway, because I could still make Christmas ornaments. You can paint these, you could do all kinds of things. But anyway, enough of that. So I ordered yarn for doing, crafts, and I thought this red would be great for Valentine's Day crafts or Christmas crafts. And this is the name of the company, which I've never heard of. I don't know, how this yarn will be, if it's good yarn or not. I don't know about yarn like in those ways, if yarn is good, or I have no idea. But anyway, so this is the red, and I can't wait to use it in my crafts. And then I even purchased one in the white color as well. They had so many, different color options, and I seen one that was, it was called like birthday or something, or birthday cake, and it was like a pink, and then it had like another color in it. It was so pretty. I think I might get that one, and that one's also on Amazon. Okay, so anyway, and then these I've got a while ago, these flowers here from Amazon too, a while ago, and I don't remember the name of the color of these, but I just think that they are so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to put these in my living room, because I have a sofa that's, I got a new sofa last year, and it's blue. But it's not this color, blue, but I just think it would just blend in so pretty. So let me get my scissor here, which I have right here, to open up the washi tape. I want to show you guys the washi. So I'll be right back, okay? Alright guys, let's go through this washi tape. Let's see what we got here. Oh, okay. Cute. And this is a regular size. I don't know if I should say regular size washi. The larger size, I guess. Because there's some, I think, smaller ones in here. Yeah. You see that one? With the hearts. Oh, this would look nice. That one look nice. Okay. So you have, this size, and then I think they gave me this size too. So you see, so you got the 3 different sizes there. You got this design. You could do a lot with these. You could do so much with washi. Ooh, I really like that. Ooh, that'd be really nice for spring crafts. For like Easter, for like spring. Ooh. Yeah, you can mix and match them too. To what you're doing, what your projects. And this is good for planning. I'm going to use a lot of this washi tape for for planning. Oh, these stuck together? I think they're stuck together. Or did they? No. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Very pretty. So yeah, for planning, for arts and crafts, for a whole bunch of different things. For, you could also use these washis. Oh, I really like that. Look at that. Actually, this would be great in the larger size, I think, too. So also what I was going to say is, when you plan in your planner, arts and crafts, and also journaling and bullet journaling too. Definitely bullet journaling, I think. Oh yeah, there's so much you could do. They're so pretty. They are really nice. They gave a good a selection. Very nice selection. And also, oh, okay, so they gave this too. Oh, alright. I could use this. Okay, that was cool. Alright. Oh, look at that, guys. Little oranges. Almost done with them here. Huh, that's cute. All the plants. What is it? Cactus? Or is it cactuses? Cactuses. Oh, look at the paw prints. That is so adorable. This was definitely a great selection of sizes, of different designs. You could do so much with these, really. I love this one. I think that's adorable. They really made sure that you can work with these with all kinds of seasons, all kinds of, like I said, things you want to do with your planners or bullet journaling or other arts and crafts you do. And this, again, was called Mr. Pen. And then they even gave that. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me and watching me. And don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed and you do like the content that you're seeing that I'm giving you guys, please subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.